What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today I'm showing you a tutorial on how you can use any iOS device. It could be your iPhone, it could be your iPad, older device, newer device, on an older iOS, on the new iOS 14. I'm gonna show you how you can stream the games you play on those devices to Twitch, to YouTube, to Facebook for free with alerts. So are you ready? I hope you are. Let's get into it. Get into this tutorial, I wanted to announce that I do have a live public Discord server. You guys can join it, link description below. We just chat there, hang out, talk about different things, share pictures of our pets, food. I even help you guys with your setup, questions. I have a whole text channel for that. You guys can just chat there and I can help you with whatever you need, and maybe somebody else has the same problem you have, so we kind of just collaborate there, talk about different topics. It's a lot of fun, so go check it out. In addition, I do have memberships live on this channel, so I offer a ton of different perks. Go and select the join button. You can see all the different perks that I offer. So those of you guys who've been waiting for these things to come, they're available now, and we're just gonna keep making these features better for you. Okay, that's enough of me talking. Let's get into this tutorial. The first thing you're gonna want to do is go to the iOS store and download the application called StreamChamp. This is a fairly new application, but it'll allow you to customize your stream much more than other mobile iOS gaming applications that are out there on the market. For free, no computer required. Though I do recommend having some sort of computer or a second device next to your main mobile gaming device, just so you can look at chat and kind of multitask a little bit while you're streaming. Because once you're streaming on your primary device, the screen is always going to be recorded and you can't do side things that you may not want the stream to see. So just something to keep in mind. Now, once you have the app downloaded, you can go ahead and launch it, and you will need to have a Twitch account already. So go ahead and create one, or just sign into the account within the StreamChamp app. Once you do that, you'll be brought to your stream layout and settings page, where you'll see where your video is laid out next to the banner. You'll also be able to control your audio levels in case you want to hear more of the gameplay sound or less of the gameplay sound, or maybe you want to have more of your voice. I personally recommend you want to have your voice just a little bit higher than the game audio would be. You'll hear a lot of streams and the gameplay audio is just super loud. You can't hear what the person's saying. You don't want that kind of stream. Down by the scene section, you'll automatically be set to the default, which is just the gameplay screen, whatever you're showing on your device. If you want to change that, just go ahead and select that default button, and then you can change it to different things like away, be right back. To the far right of that, you have the orientation option, which you can select how you essentially hold your device. So if you hold it like this, you're seeing it on the left side. If you're looking at it like that, you're seeing it on the right side, so you can select which side you want the gameplay screen to be recorded. The next thing to show you guys here is the settings of your application. So if you go to the far right hand corner and you see those three little dot icons, select that. You'll see which account you're logged into. You can have stream notifications on or off. If someone subscribes to your channel while you're streaming and you have this setting turned on, you'll see a banner icon come down, just like a text message, just to let you know who subscribed to your channel, so then you can react to it in real time. Down from that is the Ingest Options, and that controls where are you streaming to. Are you streaming to your Twitch? Are you streaming to YouTube, Facebook? Well, if you're streaming to Twitch, you can select your closest Ingest server. So for me, that would be New York. I would select that. Now, if you're streaming to YouTube or Facebook, you're going to need to select the add button on the top right, and then you're going to need to put in the server URL and also the server key, which you can get. Let's say if you're on YouTube, if you go into your live dashboard, it'll be on the bottom left-hand side. In case it needed to be said, don't show your stream key to anybody, because then they can just steal your stream. Take that information and put it in accordingly in the StreamChamp app. And now you're set to stream to your desired platform. Below that, you have your resolution options all the way up to 1080p, and it will do 60 FPS if you update to iOS 14. The resolution also ties into the bitrate, which a good number to stay around is 3500 kilobits per second, which if you translate that to your upload speed is 3.5 megabits per second. I don't show the stream info. I keep adaptive bitrate on just so if my network dips, especially using Wi-Fi, which it will dip often if your internet's not very good. I have my network priority for streaming set to high, and if your Wi-Fi tends to be unstable when you're streaming, you can look into an Ethernet Lightning adapter, so that way you have a direct connection from your router to your iPhone or iPad device for the best streaming experience. Audio bitrate, I just keep it at 96 kilobits per second. And then there's additional information that StreamChamp offers, such as some video tutorials. They have a Discord where if you run into any issues, you can hit them up and they can answer your questions. And then there's also information for which version of the app you're running. So now if we get out of the settings and then we go right below those three dot icons and click on that face icon, it is a face cam feature. I talked to someone that's working with this app, and they're actually going to be coming out with a face cam option that will go next to your video where your main streaming layout is. But in the meantime, if you want to show your face on stream very easily, just go back into the StreamChamp app and then click on that face option under your settings, and you'll be able to show your face and talk to your people on stream. Before we go live in this app, one more thing I want to show you guys is how to customize your stream layout. So what you see right now is the video picture, it's off to the left. The banner, off to the right. Maybe we don't want that, right? We want something different. So what we're going to have to do is next to the how to use link, select those knob icons, and this is where the magic happens. You first off, to the top right hand side, can select the mode option. So right now I'm in the video left, so this is just a standard template option where it has my video on the left and then the banner on the right. I can do also the video right, so it flips like that. And then you have your two advanced options. The first advanced option, you have your banner vertical. The second one, your banner is horizontal. It's personal preference for what you want. I think it's best to use one of the advanced options so that way you have full control of how your stream will look. So now just by selecting the video on the screen, literally the gray box, I can move that around to my desired placement. Right now it's in the original aspect ratio, but if I have it turned off, I can control much more of the size. So let's say if I want to fill the screen completely, I can do that, see? Boom. Next to the highlighted video option, I can select background. And this is where the banner and everything plays into effect. Over to the left, you see HTML overlay URL. Within there, you can put in your Streamlabs link, your Stream Elements links, and that's where you can get your alerts to appear on your stream in real time. Under that, you can change your background color. So in case you don't like purple, you can change it to something else if you so choose to. Just play with the color knobs to mix the colors so that you get it to your liking. You can also do straight black just by putting all the knobs to 0. If you want to fill that banner area that I'm moving with something, you can go to the right where it says image, and you can select a photo from your library that you might want to have as a banner. I would like to see an option for maybe having your own image selected as a background option, so that way if you don't want colors for your background, you can do a special image, and I think that would be very cool. Just make it a little bit more customizable. Just some suggestions. So that's all there is to setting up your stream with StreamChamp. How about we give it a test? Go down to the bottom and select broadcast stream. You can turn the microphone on, so that's recorded, and then just select start broadcast. Starting the broadcast. There it is. Test, test, test.
There it is.
It's gonna echo bad. I'm also gonna log into Streamlabs and show you the alerts work. Alright, we're gonna do a simple test subscriber. Boom. And it should pop up on the top of the screen in a little bit. There it is. So it's a little bit laggy. The frames, when they come through for the alert, don't seem to be too smooth, but it works. When you're done with your stream, you can stop it the same way that you started it by going to the broadcast stream option and selecting stop, and you'll be done. Stream complete. That's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit it with the big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Give this a test for those of you guys that are on iPhone and iPad and want to stream your gameplay to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. You can see from this video that it does work. It may have a little bit of clunks and clinks in it, but it does the job. Don't forget about joining the Discord that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, and also memberships are available if you want to join in on that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take it easy. Peace out.